Hi everyone! Kung kayo po ay interesado sa mga tarot cards and oracle cards, binibenta ko po ang iba kong mga pre-love, tarot, and oracle decks. Lahat po yon ay original and authentic. I-check nyo na lang ang mga available na cards sa aking Shopee. And also, kung gusto nyong mag-manifest ng good luck, protection, love, money, and healing, I'm also selling power bracelets na matutulungan kayong ma-manifest ang inyong mga desires. Nakalagay na po siya sa pouch, may kasamang instruction leaflet at extra string. Available in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. Check them out. Links on the description. Libra, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 14 to 20, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Libra, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So let's see your overall energy for this week. You have the 7 of Wands. Meron kang pinaglalaban. You are more courageous. Yung tipong malakas yung loob mo, no? Na proteksyonan yung sarili mo. This time, hindi mo nahahayaan na, apihin ka ng iba, ibuli ka ng iba. So, you are really fighting back. Yes. So, let's see your challenge. You have the 9 of Swords. Oh, some of you, there's a lot of overthinking, no? Lalo na sa gabi, iba, hindi makatulog. Maaring maraming nakikialam sa buhay ninyo ngayon, no? Na ito yung dapat mong gawin, mali yan, ganyan. Ang dami nakikisawsaw. So, pwedeng meron kayong pinagdadaanan na challenge sa relationship or sa career ninyo na you are wanting to gain clarity, kaya lang instead na magkaroon kayo ng clarity, lalo kayong nako-confuse. So, iwasan ng pag-overthink. At, you can do this. You can definitely win this battle. Ito na natin yung opportunity for you. You have the 5 of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, ang challenge ninyo ay related sa pera. And you have the opportunity to bounce back. Magagawa nyo ito ng paraan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Pwede kasing meron lang kayong mga maling desisyon sa pag-handle ng finances ninyo. But with the 5 of Pentacles as your opportunity, I think you have finally learned the lesson na kailangan mong matutunan. Okay? And then your blessing, 7 of Pentacles, as a blessing maganda siya kasi ito yung parang yung mga pinaghirapan mo nagbubunga na. Okay? Kailangan na lang nito yung patience mo sa paghihintay. What is the 7 of Wands? The 10 of Pentacles. You have your family who really cares for you. And 10 of Pentacles is also financial stability. So the moment na maglakas loob ka, ipaglaban mo yung mga karapatan mo at lumaban ka sa buhay, no? Huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa. Definitely, magagawan mo ng paraan yan. Especially if this is related sa kaperahan. Meron din dito akong nakikita na can be your parents. Pwedeng tutulong sila sa'yo. So, what is the 9 of Swords? The Emperor. Yeah. This is you taking control of your life. Being more disciplined and structured. Kasi, maaring hinayaan mo na i-abuse ka ng iba or hinayaan mo na i-take advantage ka ng iba or ma-impluwensyahan ka ng mga bad vibes nila. So, wag mong hayaan yon. Take control. Take back your power. Okay? You have the 6 of Cups. When it comes to your inspiration, kung meron ka ng mga anak, sila na lang yung isipin mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng inspirasyon para bumangon muli. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga dating activities na pwede nyong babalikan para doon kayo makapagsimula muli. So let's say dati meron kayong business, tapos hindi nyo na ipinagpatuloy kasi may iba na kayong ginawa or pinursue. At ngayon, babalikan nyo yun para makatulong sa inyo na makarecover, especially sa mga financial losses ninyo or mga wrong decisions ninyo pagdating sa pera ninyo. Wow, 7 of Cups. Okay. Ang nakita ko agad dito parang star the star card energy. So with the 7 of Cups here, it seems na you really need to focus on what matters sa'yo. So kailangan hindi kalat-kalat yung plano mo sa buhay. Importante na meron ka lang certain focus. Kasi the more na, nagmumultitask ka, marami kang mga iniisip, lalo kang masistress. So, ang nakikita kong isa sa magandang solution dito is delegate. Delegate. So, mag-assign ka ng mga makakatulong sa'yo. So, kung sino man yan, mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, really cares about you, family mo, friends mo, na tulungan ka. Kasi, ito na yung time na kailangan mo ng tulong. And be open sa tulong ng ibang tao. Lalo na kung nakatulong ka rin sa kanila. 'Di ba? Dati. You also have the Moth. Moth is about intuition. This is also luminosity, kaliwanagan, and being more reliable. So I think you really need to connect to your higher self, to your instinct. Kasi parang nandyan you already know what to do. Kailangan mo na lang siyang i-execute. Kailangan mo na lang siyang gawin. You also have the elephant. So, elephant. This is about complexity. Some of you are in a very complicated situation, pero you will come out victorious in this situation. So, pwedeng complicated situation sa finances ninyo, na kailangan yung ayusin. But, I see some people na handang tumulong naman sa'yo Ang importante lang is, alam mo kung paano sila makakatulong sa'yo at alam rin nila kung paano sila makakatulong sa'yo. Kasi minsan, may mag-offer ng help, tapos hindi nila alam kung paano sila tutulong sa'yo. So, ikaw, hindi mo rin alam kung paano sila makakatulong sa'yo. So, you really need to use your resources para makabangon. So, sa finances, you have Mercury and Aquarius in the 11th house. Meron kang idea. Meron kang magandang idea ngayon na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo na makarecover. This can mean, pwede tong anything related sa technology, related sa social media, sa communications. Marami na ngayong pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So, I think yung iba sa inyo susubok nun. Especially if you are connecting with other people. So, this is interaction with people. Tinan mo, may riches, And the Saturn here is telling me, ang Saturn kasi is karma. So, kung ano yung effort na binibigay mo, yun din yung ma-achieve mo or makukuha mo. And this is in the 10th house. 10th house is your career. So, kapag daw, in-effortan mo yung career mo, trabaho mo, yung anything na pinagkakakitaan mo ngayon, this is going to bring riches sa'yo. So, example, an idea na eureka moment mo na, uy, magandang idea to, pwede ko itong pagkakitaan. Gawin mo, subukan mo, no? You'll never know kasi na baka ito yung magpapayaman sa'yo. Ito yung mag-aangat sa'yo sa kinatatayuan mo ngayon. You have the 3rd house, the moon. So, very critical dito yung emotions mo and your instinct. Malalaman mo talaga yan na ito yung path na yan. Kasi mararamdaman mo na things are doing well for you. Kumbaga mabilis yung paglago, mabilis yung pag-unlad. And use your resources and also your network, your connections. Dahil kung devoted ka rito, definitely this is going to bring riches to you. Yes. So, sa iyo namang relationship, you have Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. enthusiasm. So, there are people who really support you, naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. So, sila yung panghawakan mo, no? You also have, this is Venus in Taurus in the second house. Yeah, maraming mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, who really cares about you. So, ang importante is nandyan sila. Sila yung nakasuporta sa'yo all the way. You have the 12th house, Sun in Gemini in the 12th house. Gemini, Libra. Libra is about balance. So, I think, kung ibabalance mo yung career relationship mo and your work, your career, you will be able to be successful in both of them, no? Ang importante is, alam mo kung paano mag-manage ng oras at panahon mo. And 12th house is also, medyo spiritual to, and malalim, no? So for some of you, you might have a very deep connection with someone, at sila yung magbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration na talagang they really care about you and they want to support you all the way. So maganda yung sa love life ninyo. You also have ease. Today I allow life to be easy. Yes. Chill lang daw kayo. Don't take it too seriously. And think of the positive things, no? Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy and experience twice. Yes. Positivity. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.